So here's an example of the node, the ecosystem with the keys with the 12-word seed phrase. That's an example. I just use colors only. This is the input, output, the ecosystem projects. All of them are going to be on one wallet using one deposit address. All the information is going to be loaded onto the website on the node. So any documents or any videos or anything updating is going to be on the website. And this is how you use the projects in the wallet. It's a key store, so you have to, it's already downloaded, so all you gotta do is just basically access your wallet. All nodes have the same password, and that's Pittsburgh node. It's universal, nothing changes, it's just, and this is the projects and how you get into the website. You can trade and sell the projects supply. As of right now, all of them are going to be updated, or any information is going to be stored. So